Hey there operators, I'm Josh with Dig Pig Products, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your cover on your silencer nozzle. Now before we get started, there are a few things you're going to need. The first thing you're going to need is a cover seat carbide tool. The second thing you're going to need is a 1-inch wrench. And then finally, you're going to need one of two covers. We have our HD cover here and our standard cover. For today's video, I'm going to use the HD cover. And if you're interested in learning about these, make sure you check out our video all about covers in the description down below. Now, before we get started, the first thing we're going to do is take apart this guy right here. We're going to unscrew our cover and housing from the inlet. Just like that. We're also going to remove our little rotor here and put it to the side. And then we get a look on the inside of our housing. At the very top here is a spiral ring. And what we need to do is find a little break in it just right there. And we're going to put our finger on the opposite side. And then we're going to use our cover seat carbide tool to lift up the ring out of its lip. Just like that, put our finger underneath it and just go all the way around to pull it out. Next, we're going to take our tool, place it inside, just like that. And then we're going to use our wrench here and we're going to take out the housing from the cover. Now this might be easy for you to do at home. It all depends on how much dirt got between the housing and the cover. Eventually though, you should be able to get it out just like that. Now we can grab our new cover, place the housing on the inside, and then just screw it back in place. Want to make sure it's all the way down, just like that. All right, now we can take our cover seat carbide tool out, grab our spiral ring, and then we're going to make sure we're going to put that spiral ring right back in the groove that's just above the housing. And then we're going to run our finger along the inside here, placing that spiral ring in that groove, just like that. Now we can take our rotor, put it on top of our inlet, then we can press down with our cover just like this. And now we are ready to screw everything back together. And just like that, you have fully replaced your cover on your Dig Pig silencer and you're ready to go back to work. Dig Pig Products, built by operators for operators.